Okay, hi you guys. Here is the answer for our question of the day. So hopefully you went back into your notes from yesterday. But we want to write a definition in your own words of an identifying physical property. So when I think of an identifying physical property, identifying is kind of my key word here. So an identifying physical property, I would say, is a unique property, a unique physical property that helps me identify what substance I have. Helps me identify a substance. Okay, so again, if it's a unique physical property, it's something that can't change about the object. Okay. Okay, so when I look at which of these are identifying physical properties, I think, okay, color. When I'm looking at color, the color of something can change. I can have dark red, I can have light red, objects can have different colors, so color is not going to help me identify an object. The size of something can also change. We can have big things, we can have a lot of water or a little bit of water. It's still water. So the size isn't going to help me identify. The density was on our list of identifying properties. So density does help us identify. It's unique to the substance. Melting point. So we know melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Only water has that. So melting point is also unique. But we know that water can be a solid, liquid, or gas. So the phase doesn't tell us what substance we have. This would be our solid, liquid, or gas. And then we know the boiling point of a water is 100 degrees Celsius. And again, that's a unique thing just for water. So boiling point is our last identifying property. So today, you guys, you are going to watch the classification of matter notes video as a class. And then work on your Cornell notes with that. And then on our Google Classroom, there is a quizzes, which is kind of practice from the notes. So you'll probably want to keep your notes out for that. Last thing then, you're going to get the review packet for our test that is on Tuesday. So you will want to start working on that this weekend so that you are ready to ask questions and kind of finish up our review, wrap everything up on Monday for a Tuesday test. Okay, have a great weekend.